Thanks for joining me in a doodle video about Max Weber. Let's get started, shall we? Max Weber is not just a name in sociology textbooks. His ideas shape how we think about capitalism, bureaucracy, authority, and religion even today. Alongside Karl Marx and Émile Durkheim, Weber laid the foundation of modern sociology. But unlike Marx, who emphasized class struggle, or Durkheim, who focused on social cohesion, Weber looked deeper into meaning. He looked into what motivated people, how culture drives action, and how modern life becomes increasingly rational and structured. So what exactly did Weber contribute? How did his upbringing shape his theories? And why is his concept of the iron cage still relevant in today's world of algorithms and automated systems? Let's find out, but first, let's start with his story. Max Weber was born in 1864 in Erfurt, Germany, into a wealthy family. His father was a civil servant and politician, while his mother was deeply religious and moralistic. This clash between public life and private spirituality echoed in Weber's later work. He studied law, economics, and philosophy, and by his late 20s, he became one of the youngest professors in the German Empire. A mental breakdown following his father's death forced him into a long period of withdrawal from academic life. However, Weber didn't stop thinking. He read widely, traveled, and wrote some of his most important works. He returned to academia with renewed energy, contributing essays that would later become classics in sociology. He died in 1920 from pneumonia after the Spanish flu epidemic. At the heart of Weber's sociology is Verstehen, a German word meaning understanding. Not just any understanding, Weber wanted sociologists to understand the meaning behind people's actions. This is called interpretive sociology. Unlike natural sciences, sociology deals with conscious, motivated beings. Weber believed we must put ourselves in others' shoes to interpret why they act the way they do. To aid this, Weber developed ideal types, which are mental constructs or simplified models that help compare and analyze social reality. For example, his ideal types of authority, traditional, charismatic, and rational legal, help us understand political systems. This interpretive approach set Weber apart from positivists who favored quantitative methods. One of Weber's most influential works is The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism. In this groundbreaking essay, he asked a simple but powerful question: why did modern capitalism develop first in Western Europe, not elsewhere? Weber found a surprising link: religion, specifically Calvinist Protestantism. Calvinists believed in predestination, that their salvation was preordained. To ease the anxiety, they worked tirelessly and reinvested their earnings, seeing success as a sign of being chosen. Capitalism wasn't just about greed, it became a moral calling. Weber wasn't saying religion caused capitalism alone, but that cultural values and beliefs played a major role alongside economics. Thanks for watching Part 1 of Max Weber. If you learned anything new, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And you should definitely check out Part 2 of this video, which I will link to here.